Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Google account in Chrome sync post issue. So if you find that your Google account login is error when you open Chrome, it says that the sync is paused like this, so that the bookmark, the history of your Google account is gone because the sync is paused, you can just fix it with the simple step. So what you need to do is just sign your Google account back into the Chrome. You can click on this your name at the top right corner, and that will be the sign in again button. So just tap on that. And now what you need to do is just fill in your email and also your password to the Google account that you use on the Chrome. Tap on next. And so just like that, now the sync is back. You can see the sync is on and the problem is solved. And so that's all for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So if you enjoy it, please do click on the thumbs up, leave a comment if you got questions, and don't forget to hit on the subscribe and thanks button. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye!